Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss the question factorize. First part, it is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So we factorize this expression by using identity. So in the question there is 8a cube plus b cube. So that means we use the identity that has a cube and b cube. So that identity we use in this question, it is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, and it is equal to a plus b cube. So 8a cube plus b cube. So 8a, 8 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 2. So we write it as 2a cube. So 2a 3 times multiplied, we get answer 8a cube plus b cube. So now as identity a cube, a equal to 2a and b equal to b, plus in identity there is 3a square b, it is equal to 12a square b. So in the identity there is 3a square b. So 3 into a is 2a square into b equal to b, plus 3ab square, 3 into 2a equal to 2a and b equal to b, it is b square. So it is equal to a plus b cube. So a equal to 2a plus b cube. So it is 3 times repeated multiplication of 2a plus b. So we write it as 3 times 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. So these are the factors of the given expression. So now we move to next part. In second question, factorize 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So by using identity we make the factor of this expression, and in this we use the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and it is equal to a minus b cube. So in this a cube, it is 8a cube. So we write it as 2a cube. So it is 3 times repeated multiplication of 2a and we get answer 8a cube. Then b cube, we write it as b cube. So a equal to 2a and b equal to b. Now in identity there is minus 3a square b. So minus 3 into a square, a equal to 2a square into b equal to b, plus 3ab square, 3 into a equal to 2a into b square, and it is equal to a minus b whole cube. So a equal to 2a minus b whole cube. So it is 3 times repeated multiplication of 2a minus b. So we write it as 3 times 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. So this is the factors of the given expression. So now we move to next part. In the third question, it is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So we make the factor of this expression by using identity. So in the question there is 27. So 27 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 3 and 125a cube. So 125 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 5. So we use the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square equal to a minus b cube. Now in question there is 27. So 27 minus 125a cube. 27 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 3. So we write it as 3 cube minus 125a cube. So 125 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 5. We write it as 5a cube. So when 5a is 3 times multiplied, we get answer 125a cube. So now a equal to 3 and b equal to 5a. Now in identity there is minus 3a square b. Minus 3a square, a equal to 3, it is 3 square, into b equal to 5a, it is 5a, plus 3ab square, 3 into a equal to 3 and b equal to 5a, it is 5a square. Now it is equal to 3 cube minus 5a cube minus 3 into 3 square into 5a plus 3 into 3 into 5a square. So in this we use the identity a minus b cube, a equal to 3 and b equal to 5a cube. So it is 3 times repeated multiplication of 3 minus 5a. So we write it as 3 times 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. So these are the factors of the given expression. Now we move to next part. Now in fourth part, it is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. So in this we use the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, it is equal to a minus b cube. So in the question there is 64a cube. So we know 64 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 4. So we write it as 4a cube minus 27b cube. So 27 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 3. So we write it as 3b cube. Now we find a equal to 4a and b equal to 3b. Now in identity there is minus 3a square b. Minus 3 into a square, a equal to 4a square into b equal to 3b. Plus 3ab square, 3 into a equal to 4a into b square, b equal to 3b. It is 3b square. And it is equal to a minus b cube. So a equal to 4a minus 3b cube. It is 3 times repeated multiplication of 4a minus 3b. So we write it as 3 times 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. So these are the factors of given expression. Now we move to next part. Now in fifth part it is 27p cube minus 1 over 216 minus 9 over 2p square plus 1 over 4p. So again in this we use the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. It is equal to a minus b cube. So it is 27p cube. We know 27 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 3. So we write it as 3p cube minus 1 over 216. So minus b cube and there is 1 over 216 and 216 is 3 times repeated multiplication of 6. So we write it as 1 over 6 cube minus 3 into a square b. So in this a equal to 3p and b equal to 1 over 6. So in the identity there is 3a square b. So 3 into a equal to 3p square and b equal to 1 over 6. 3 and 6 both are divisible on the table of 3. So we cancel them. 3 3s are 9 p square over 2. So it is same. Plus 3ab square, 3a equal to 3p into b square, b equal to 1 over 6. It is 1 over 6 square. So 3 multiplied by 3, 9, and 1 over 6 square means 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 6, it is equal to 1 over 36. This 9 and 36 both are divisible, and we get answer 1 over 4p. It is equal to a minus b cube, a equal to 3p minus 1 over 6 cube. It is 3 times repeated multiplication of this bracket. So we write it as 3 times 3p minus 1 over 6 into 3p minus 1 over 6 into 3p minus 1 over 6. So these are the factor of the given expression. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.